Hey YouTube, Mark with Ultimate RC. Back on the channel. Finally got the FMS F86 80mm.
No stores on it today. A really nice sound of this plane. It is also a big
rate. Timer start.
pretty nice. Bring it around. Whew. Got a little close to the curb there, probably more than I wanted to. I think it was a 50C that I had in here. Yep, full air brakes. We'll bring those back in. The area to land it is more the biggest thing with this. But fun plane, great detail on it, great sound on it. Again, I appreciate the support, YouTube. Use our links below. We do appreciate that. We've never had a plane supplied to us, so that's the only way that we are supporting the channel. Thanks again for watching the FMS 80mm F86 Sabre.